I am Eric Polley at ericpolley.com, and we have 80 seconds to explore the Bevel Modifier in Blender. So let's rock and roll. I have Blender open with a new general project, and I have the default cube selected. Let's go down to our modifiers tab, little wrench. Let's add a plus to the modifiers, go down to generate, and let's select bevel, and it will immediately add a bevel. You have several options here that you can use. One just selecting the verts, and one selecting the edges. As you can see, that makes a very easy, quick difference to add a bevel to your object, and depending on how many edges or verts you have, it will drastically change it. Let's say we hit Control 2 and add a subdivision. We can even change the order of the subdivision, and you can see the difference that it is or is not making.